Guys, today I'm going to do a review on the air up bottle. It comes in a box like this. Can't get it in because it's out, so then you open it, get the box, drink new. And what you do is you find the thing that opens it, like so. Inside you get the bottle, of course, you get 2 pods and the instruction book. I got this free on my order because it's Black Friday. Also a free strap because it was Black Friday as well. So let's get the bottle out. So it's wrapped in nice wrapped foil to get out. Carefully out, I think it's leaving it in there. Here it is, the out bottle. So it comes with a strap, but I'm going to slide mine because I'm special like that. You open when you strap on, 1 sec. Mine is an orange one, I think orange. To get that on, all you do is you get like that on there, slide it in the holes. Boom. So it comes with a lid, of course, the socket thing, that you slip, and the pods, of course. So you can take it off to wash it, all sorts. So this comes off. Straw, just where the pod goes, I'll show you now. So I'll fill it up first and come back. So it's just pure water in there, nothing else. Just put the lid back on, like so. Like so. It's on tight as well, you can put it tight. And then, to flavour your water, just suck out. But let's not do that. Let's get the pods out. This comes with the pods, you get 2 pods in a packet, so I don't know what flavour they are. Let's have a look. So, what do I get? I got peach. And I got cherry. I'll do the cherry one. So the pods look like this, obviously. Like that. It smells divine. Okay, that's the pod. Take it out the colour. Like so. That smells divine. Okay. And then you take it out of this pouch. Stick it on your bottle, like so. Push it right down. I think you do. Like so, and then activate the lever, pull it up, that is insane, that is insane, no way. And then deactivate it, you just push back down, and then you take like water again. So yeah, that's that. In there you get instructions, of course, the bottle, what you get, and then yeah, basically you just push it up, pull it to activate, and your new water drinking experience is going to hold better. This isn't sponsored or affiliated with Air Up at all, just thought I'd do the video. And you can take the pad off as well. And then yeah, when you're done with that, you just stick that back on. You just push down, lid on. You ready to go? Hope you enjoyed that review, guys. Make sure you get one as well. They are really good. Hope you enjoy, guys.